All right, people. Here we are. Sanford Son. This is the actual building. Well, I take that back. This is not the building. This is the actual location of the building, the original building of Sanford Son. It's located at 10659 Magnolia Blvd in Hollywood. All right, city of Los Angeles. This is where, right out here is where Red Fox sat. Of course, y'all know that it was an actual house or junkyard. Let me get out of this area where this glare is actually in this. But right out there is where Fred Sanford sat. It's now Power Plumbing. As you can see, where Lamont turned in, I actually drove in the same area that Lamont Sanford came during the intro. Now, let me let y'all know something. So this is not where the actual, it was recorded at the studio. That's where the show was. It was live in front of a live audience. But during the intro, where Red Fox came out, sat down in the chair, waiting for Lamont. Lamont came from that area, which is Magnolia Blvd. And he turned right here. That's where he turned. Came from that area and turned right in there. And if you go and do your research, you can see this pole, that pole, all of that. As you can see the sign across the street, Magnolia Blvd, 10600. It's in front of an intersection, which is Cartwright, 5100. And down there is Cartwright. That's where it continues. This is actually the driveway. And Sanford Arms, which was the actual apartments that they had, was located in the back. And if this gate wasn't here, Lamont drove right in this same driveway and went right into this, right behind this gate. And back there, okay? So this is the location. Brings back a whole lot of memories. And it's a plumbing business now. True nostalgia. This is where all of the junk was. And of course, right there where those windows are would be where the side of the house was. And where Fred did a lot of cutting up. But we're here. Now, one more fact I have to let y'all know is 9114 South Central, I believe, Boulevard, was the location that was the fictitious location that was said to be their address, which the house that they lived in on the show was located at. And in everybody's mind, it was right here, which is actually where the house was before they built this building. I don't know how many times that they reconstructed. I think the actual real building was torn down some years ago, and it was rebuilt. And I think it has been rebuilt maybe once or twice since then. But this is the location of the filming of the intro of Sanford Son. And then of course they went into the studio in front of a live audience and did the show. All right. Sanford Son. Maybe I'll get a chance to play that song by Quincy Jones. Hey. Hollywood. A place where a lot of shows that we grew up on was recorded. Power Plumbing. There it is. All right, people.